I'm starting off by pressing in some of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone with my MAC Single Shadow in Nylon. Today I'm using my Huda Beauty New Nude palette. I'm taking the shade Teddy with my MORPHE M200, and this is actually a super soft blending brush. Now I'm taking the shadow Spanked with my MORPHE M518, and although I'm blending this up, I'm keeping it closer to the crease, and I'm gradually building that color. I'm also going to be pressing this into the outer lid. With the same brush, I'm taking Love Bite, and I'm adding this to the outer lid as well. Now I'm smoking out the lower lash line with Spanked. On the lid, we're going to be adding Excite, and I'm using my Makeup Forever 224 brush. Now I'm just highlighting my tear duct with my MAC Single Shadow in Nylon. Today I'm using my NYC liquid liner, and holy fuck, I miss this eyeliner so much. It's seriously so easy to use, and it's so fucking matte and black. I'm so upset that they discontinued it. But anyways, to clean up the wing, I'm using my Maybelline Master Concealer with an e.l.f. concealer brush. Now I'm curling my lashes with my MAC eyelash curler. And to highlight my eyes, I'm using my Wet n Wild pencil liner in Baby Scott Black. For my waterline, I'm taking my LA Girl Glide gel liner in Whiten. And here I'm defining my lower lashes with a little bit of mascara. For today's falsies, I'm using my EYELURE lashes in the style Marquise. Alright, so here you have it. This look was super fucking easy. If you guys want to keep it a little more simple, you guys can definitely do it without the eyeliner. It'll look just as beautiful. I hope this video helps you out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And before you guys head out, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.